I've seen the exact same thing happen over and over. Someone grabs a cheap countertop ice maker because it looks tiny and cheap, only to end up with ice that melts the second it hits a drink, a machine that jams after a week, and a regret that lingers every time they host a gathering. The disappointment isn't just about the ice. It's the wasted money, the extra cleanup, and the awkward moment of having to explain why the cocktail is watered down. So the question is, does the Scotsman NH0922A Prodigy Plus feel like a smarter buy, or is it another flash-in-the-pan gadget? Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the kind of ice you actually want if you're serious about drinks, food prep, or even a small office kitchen. The Prodigy Plus makes what the industry calls hard nugget ice, those little, chewable chunks that stay solid far longer than the soft cubes you get from a typical homemaker. In real life, that means your whiskey on the rocks stays cold without getting watery, your smoothie stays frosty without turning into a slushy mess, and a punch bowl can sit out for hours while the ice keeps the mix chilled, not diluted. That's the practical strength that separates a dedicated nugget machine from the cheap alternatives that simply freeze water in a bin. The first thing I noticed when I unpacked this unit was how small it actually sits in the kitchen. The footprint is one of the smallest you'll find in the commercial-grade niche, which matters if you're working with a cramped bar countertop or a tight office break room. The stainless steel evaporator and auger not only look professional, they do the heavy lifting when it comes to durability. In my case, I've had it humming in a home bar for 3 months, and the metal components show no signs of wear, which aligns with the maximum durability claim you see in the spec sheet. Now, the real test of any ice machine is how it handles the daily grind. For me, that meant running it 3 times a day during weekend parties, and then a couple of times a week when I'm just making a few glasses of iced coffee. The machine churns out roughly 952 pounds of ice per month. That's a lot of nuggets, enough to fill a large cooler without having to restock. What I appreciated most was the AutoAlert indicator lights. When the water reservoir gets low or when the machine needs a quick cleaning cycle, the lights flash clearly, so you don't have to guess why the ice output has slowed. That visibility saves you from the embarrassment of a half-filled tray at the end of a gathering. But no product is perfect, and there are a few trade-offs that matter depending on your situation. The first is price. This isn't a budget-friendly countertop model. It sits in a higher price tier because of its commercial-grade components. If you're only looking to make a few ice cubes a week for personal use, the investment may be hard to justify. Second, the machine is air-cooled, which means it needs a well-ventilated space and a few inches of clearance on all sides. In a cramped kitchen without good airflow, you might notice the unit getting warm to the touch after a few hours of continuous operation. That's not a failure, just a design characteristic you need to accommodate. Another subtle weakness shows up when you're trying to fit the machine into a tight undercounter space. The stainless steel evaporator, while durable, also adds a little extra weight. It's not something you'll notice when you slide it onto a countertop, but if you plan to mount it permanently, you'll need to make sure the surface can bear the load. It's a minor installation detail, but it's worth knowing before you order. So who should actually buy this? If you run a home bar that entertains a crowd of 812 people regularly, if you work in a small office that needs a steady supply of ice for water dispensers or coffee, or if you're a catering hobbyist who needs consistent nugget ice for food prep, the Prodigy Plus pays for itself in time saved and drink quality. It's also a good fit for families that love frozen drinks year-round. The slow-melting nuggets keep the kids' slushies from turning into watered-down juice. On the flip side, if you're a solo drinker, a college student living in a dorm, or anyone who only needs ice once a week, the upfront cost and space requirement probably outweigh the benefits. In those cases, a simple countertop cube maker will do the job just fine. Looking at the numbers, the 4.3-star rating from 2 verified purchasers isn't a huge sample, but it does suggest that the early owners are generally happy. The positive notes that do appear talk about reliability and the quality of the nuggets, while the lack of negative snippets indicates no major red flags have surfaced yet. That said, with only 2 reviews, you're essentially getting a glimpse of a very early user experience, so it's